Good morning, everyone. My name is Agustinus Aditya Budikusuma, but you can call me Adit. And I'm happy to present to you about my research in portfolio management of Kala Investama during the pandemic in Indonesia's stock market. And this is the autobiography of myself. And this is the abstract of my research paper. So, before getting into the result of this research, please take a look at the background of this research. As you know that we're still in the middle of the pandemic, and in this uncertain time, there's a lot of sentiment that makes volatility in the market. Although the index was increased rapidly since March to December 2020, but it did not show the same thing on quarter 1 and quarter 2 in 2021. So, a proper management is needed to anticipate the volatility, and especially when a new variant of COVID was discovered in June 2021. The company that I research is called Kalinvestama, which is my company, an investment company, which we invest all of our clients' fund in Indonesia stock market. And for the last 6 months, one of Kala's portfolio performance was not able to outperform the market. And it indicates that there's something wrong with our investment strategy that needs to be fixed in order to obtain increased value in portfolio asset and outperform the market. And this is the research question, objective and limitation of this research. The question is, how is the management of stock in Kala portfolio and the evaluation of each stock that is currently held in June 2021? The objective is, this research is aims to evaluate the current holding stock in June 2021 and managing the stock of Kala portfolio in order to obtain increased value in portfolio assets. Investment strategy is done using technical analysis. The limitation of this research are the period is of this observation is from early July to November 2021. This research is also based on trading activity using technical analysis, and this research use trading activity data from stocks listed in Jakarta Composite Index. This is the conceptual framework of my research. We come up with the problem, which we had problem in outperforming the index, the Jakarta Composite Index. And for the data we collected from our current portfolio in June 2021 and several stock from top performance stock for the last 1 week and 1 month. We do take a look at economic and cycle season. And from the data collected, we do analysis using technical analysis, and we do risk and return measurement also. After that, we do forming, monitoring, and evaluating the portfolio using Sharpe, Trainor, and risk-adjusted return. And finally, we come up with several conclusions of this research. For the strategy, the first one, we have to take a look at prospect stock. We have to take a look at its momentum of every stock that we are currently held. We do analysis using multiple time frame analysis. We have to make sure that it is in a bullish trend, and we have to take a look at potential pattern created in a trend. We also we also have to find support and resistance area from historical data and Fibonacci retracement. And for MACD, we have to make sure that EMA 12 is above EMA 26. And also, this is the last thing, that we have to make sure that the breakout volume is contain a high volume and it has a low retest volume also. And the second one is, we do adjusting average price. We do averaging with risk and return ratio with 1/2, and the return has to be above 1.36%. It comes up with the fee trading. And this is the chart pattern, chart volume that we use. And this is the Fibonacci retracement, which contain several ratio in it to determine the the huge probability of support and resistance area from historical data. And this is the MACD line. The blue line, it indicates the EMA 12, and the red line is indicates the EMA 26. And this is the divergence in MACD. And this is the holding stock of Caleb portfolio in June 2021. As you can see that we had a lot of unrealized loss in June 2021, and it needs to be repositioned. And the next slide will be an example of stock repositioning and our trading activity using technical analysis. Okay, this is BBTN. We had previous price of 1737. If you take a look at the chart, in a daily chart, we can see that BBTN has break out its minor bearish trend, and it also creates a inverted head and shoulder pattern. And since it break out the pattern with high volume, and the blue line is also above the red line, MACD, we decided to do average price in 9 August. We do buy 200 lot, and the average price become this one. And since the next several weeks it moves downwards, it moves bear, but it's still on our stop loss area, but not on our stop area. So we decided to hold it, and since it break out the pattern, the cup and handle pattern, we decided to buy it again on 4th October with 50 lot, and the average price become 1540. And several weeks later, we had a target price achieved with capital gain of 9.17%. And this is an example of our worst trade in our trading since June to November 2021. And this is APLN, which the previous average price is 254. As you can see that in a weekly chart, it break out the flag pattern with high volume also, yeah. And the blue line is also above the red line. So we decided to buy it, but since it not shows the perfect bullish, and it turns out it creates a rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern. So we decided to cut it all, and we decided to sell it all, and we had capital loss of 16%. And we decided to move the fund into another prospect stock. So after several trades that we have accomplished since June 2021 to November 2021, that later we can see at appendix. As you can see that we had a higher cumulative returns since June to November. We had 44% and of return compared to the index, which only has 12%. With our beta is higher also with 2.25 beta, and we had also a higher trainer and Sharpe ratio compared to Jakarta Composite Index, which indicate that we had been able to outperform the index from June from June to November 2021. And we come up with the conclusion of this research. The first one is, a proper investment strategy using technical analysis helps managing portfolio of Kala Investama. By ensuring a bullish trend, combining several tools in technical analysis before entering a trade to validate our investment strategy, and obey each investment strategy that has been made before. The second one is, management of floating loss stock in portfolio must be analyzed immediately, especially if there is a momentum on it. The third one is, Kala portfolio has higher cumulative return, Sharpe, and trainer ratio for the last 5 months compared to the Jakarta Composite Index, which indicate that we have been able to outperform the index. And this is the trading activity of Kala Investama from June 2021 to November 2021. Thank you for your attention, and I'm looking for your feedback or comment regarding to my research. Thank you.